Hold on there. Let me understand. First of all, today we posted this TV on our social media page and none of no wins. How comes? You're telling me that over the last 30 days, you have not referred 3 persons from your referral link? If you had done so and that person completed their profile, you would have known. If you check your coupon history, you would have seen a coupon that starts with REF. Easy, easy. That's how you know that, yay, that person, you know that they completed their profile. If me personally, if I work in an office, I have no shame in my game to go into my co-workers and say, yo, you know what? My shipping company is having a competition. I can win fridge. No. Would be good if I could win a fridge, you know. But I can win TV, air fryers, camera, drones, and all sort of goodies. And I want to take some of these home to my family. You, my co-worker, have to sign up. We are going to work the magic because I have to win these prizes and you can win them as well. Come on, join the winning team. Join the winning team. We'll make it work.